Hey YouTube, I'm Joe. Today we're going to be repairing an iPad Pro screen. Let's get started. I think I nailed it that time. Here's the tools you will need for the repair. Begin by heating one side and inserting your metal pry tool to cut through the adhesive and separate the screen. Stick your plastic pick under the corner of the screen. Continue this around the edges of the iPad, placing your picks as needed. There will be some resistance, but if you're feeling a lot of resistance, just add more heat. The home button cable runs to the right of the home button, so take your time and be sure not to cut too deep in that area. You can replace the button if you do cut the cable, but your Touch ID won't work anymore. With all four sides free, separate the screen from the frame. Clear any of the adhesive still holding the screen. The screen folds open from left to right, kind of like a reverse book. With the screen folded open, remove the 3 Phillips screws holding the shield plate for the screen's ribbon cables. With your plastic pry tool, disconnect the 3 ribbon cables from the motherboard. To remove the home button, pull the black tape off of the cable connection. Pop up the release tab and disconnect the cable. Give the cable a little heat and peel it up off the back of the LCD. Use your metal pry tool and pry the metal bracket from the home button. Be careful not to nick the ribbon cables while doing this. Push the button free from the front of the screen and peel up the plastic spacer. Now you're done with the old screen. With your scraper tool, prep the iPad for the new screen by removing all of the remaining adhesive. Now we need to straighten the frame so the new screen will fit correctly. Gently bend the frame, not bending too much at once. There we go. Grab your new screen. Start with attaching the home button. This screen already has the button spacer, so we'll just toss this one aside. Insert the ribbon cable into the screen connection and clamp it in place. Now place the black tape onto the connection. Place a small dab of super glue on each side of the home button, making sure not to get the glue on the button. Center the home button plate over the button and seat it into the glue. Hold it in place for a few seconds so the glue can set. Use your plastic tool and move the button cable into place. Now it's time to test the screen. Connect the 3 ribbon cables to the motherboard. Make sure the connections are seated tightly. Hold down the power and home button for about 10 seconds and reboot your iPad. Now that we know the screen works, it's time to repair the screen to attach to the frame of the iPad. Disconnect the ribbon cables and remove all the wax tape over the screen adhesive. Reconnect the screen to the iPad. and screw down the ribbon cable shield plate. Fold the screen over and begin attaching the screen, starting with the bottom right corner. Make sure the ribbon cables slide into the frame and don't get pinched under the screen. Now adhere the rest of the screen and you're all done! Hey, it works! That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Comment below how your repair went, any questions you might have. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if there's any repairs you'd like to see in the future. Thank you, guys. Peace. Hey!